Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video I will explain how to replace your Hyundai Elantra headlight assembly. This do-it-yourself task can save you time and money. First, ensure your vehicle is safely parked with the ignition off. You will need a Phillips head screwdriver, a 10mm socket, and a 12mm socket. Having a trim removal tool can also be very helpful for plastic clips. Let's get started. To access the headlight assembly, begin by opening your hood. You will find several plastic clips and screws along the top of the bumper cover and inside the wheel wells. Carefully remove these fasteners using your Phillips head screwdriver and appropriate sockets. Once these are out, gently pull the bumper cover away from the fender on the side you are working on. This creates enough space to reach the headlight mounting bolts. Now it's time to remove the old headlight. First, disconnect the main electrical connector from the back of the assembly by pressing its release tab and pulling. Next, locate and remove the two 10mm bolts and one 12mm bolt that hold the assembly in place. Once the bolts are out, gently pull the entire headlight assembly straight forward to disengage it from its locking tabs. Carefully slide the new headlight assembly into position, ensuring all tabs align perfectly. With the new headlight in place, reconnect the electrical connector until you hear a click. Reinstall the two 10mm and one 12mm bolts, tightening them securely. Carefully push the bumper cover back into its original position, reattaching all plastic clips and screws. Finally, turn on your vehicle and test the new headlight, checking both low and high beams. Adjust the beam aim if needed for safe and effective illumination. Great job!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.